Okay, here's one was released 2 years ago. Try this one. Ash from a volcanic eruption decreases the amount of available solar energy, sunlight, right? So volcano spits out ashes and it covers up the sun. What describes how a decrease in available sunlight, all right, so if there's less sunlight, will most likely affect the ecosystem. All right, let's check it out. Producers will decrease. Well, that's true. There's less sunlight. Producers do photosynthesis. There's going to be fewer producers, fewer plants. Because of that, that's going to cause a decrease in consumers. Well, consumers rely on producers. Consumers eat plants. So A is the correct answer. All right, let's check out the other ones. B, producers will decrease. Well, that's correct. Same as A. Causing an increase in consumers. Well, if there's less plants, are there going to be more rabbits? No. Decomposers will increase, maybe for a little bit. Decomposers break down dead living dead things, I guess, um, causing a decrease in consumers. All right, well, let's take a look at um, a food web in a minute. Decomposers will increase, causing an increase in consumer population. Well, what's the difference here? Oh, decrease and increase. Okay, well, let's check it out. All right, so if there's if the sun's being covered up, there's going to be less of all these producers. Because of that, there's going to be less consumers, primary consumers, and because there's going to be less of those, there's going to be less of those, and there's going to be less of those, and because there's going to be less of all that, all right, over a longer period of time, there's going to be less decomposers. Decomposers are going to eat the dead things. There might be a little bit more for a little bit of time, but not over a longer any sustainable amount of time. And they bring nutrients back into the soil for the producers. So having a volcano eruption cover up the sun is not good for any of these. All this stuff is going to decrease. All right, so A is going to be the correct answer. All right, how do we do? Wow, good.